Alright guys, so today's quick tip is going to be about using the flow transition in order to cut a talking head so that it doesn't look like it's a jump cut. So if you look at this video that I'm doing here, this was my intro, and it's not extremely noticeable, and that's because I planned to use this flow transition, but I actually had to cut my speaking to cut these two clips together so that I could have it go the way I wanted it to. If you watch the video closely as I play this, you see there's a little bit of a jump right there. So right there. So it's a little bit of a cut where my head kind of, jump cuts just a little bit to the right. And like I said, I was purposely not moving my head a lot when I was doing this because I know that it will make this flow transition work a lot better. So what you need to do, if you watch it, so let's watch it one more time. It's a little bit of a jump cut right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that spot. I'm going to open my transitions and I'm going to type in flow. And then I'm going to double click on this flow transition to add it to that spot. Close that window. Now, once this renders, you'll notice that you will not be able to see this jump cut because what it does is it blends these two clips together very, very well, very seamlessly. So instead of a cut, you'll notice that my head kind of shifts forward a little bit, but it actually looks like I'm just moving my head forward. So let's watch that one more time. So that is a very, very nice transition. It comes in very handy when you're recording any type of intros, talking heads, things like that. As long as you don't move your head too much, you can use this transition and it will make it look flawless.